Imagine updating your MacBook to the latest macOS 27, expecting just a new wallpaper, and stumbling upon something truly unexpected. That's exactly what happened to one curious developer. While using Terminal for a routine task, a simple typo led to the discovery of a hidden command, FM. Instead of an old file manager, it revealed itself as the CLI for Apple Foundation Models, the AI engine behind Apple Intelligence. No account needed, no internet required, and it's been sitting quietly on your Mac all along. This video will uncover what this hidden LLM can do and why it's a game changer for Mac users. So what exactly is this hidden LLM inside macOS 27? It's called Apple Foundation Models, and it's a full AI assistant built right into your system. There are two models: the default on-device model, which runs offline and for free, and a more powerful cloud-based version called Private Cloud Compute. The best part? You don't need to sign up or connect to the internet. It's all accessible through a simple command in your terminal. This means privacy, speed, and convenience, all bundled into your Mac. The discovery happened almost by accident. While typing in Terminal, a mistyped command led to the launch of FM, revealing the Apple Foundation Models CLI. At first, it seemed like an old file manager, but it turned out to be a powerful AI tool. This hidden feature works entirely offline, making it both private and fast. The developer quickly realized the potential and began exploring its capabilities, documenting everything along the way. This is not just a neat trick, it's a robust AI assistant waiting to be used. You might think this is only for developers or tech enthusiasts, but the hidden LLM in macOS 27 is designed for everyone. Whether you're a casual user or a power user, you can access its features without any complicated setup. The on-device model runs smoothly even on entry-level Macs, like the MacBook Air M1, with just 8 GB of RAM. It's not the most advanced AI out there, but for everyday tasks, it's surprisingly capable and, most importantly, free and private. The simplest way to use the hidden LLM is to ask it anything in a single line. Just type FM respond followed by your question in quotes, and you'll get an instant answer. The response is generated entirely on your Mac, with no network connection or login required. This makes it perfect for quick queries, brainstorming, or getting instant feedback. It's fast, private, and always available right from your terminal. One of the most powerful features is the ability to pipe any text or file into the LLM. For example, you can summarize a file, analyze clipboard contents, or even debug log files by piping them directly into FM. This turns your Mac into a private AI assistant that can handle a variety of tasks, all without sending your data anywhere. It's a seamless way to integrate AI into your daily workflow, automating repetitive tasks and saving time. With the FM chat command, you can have ongoing conversations with the LLM. Each session is saved as a JSON transcript on your disk, so you can pick up right where you left off, even days later. This feature is perfect for long-term projects, brainstorming sessions, or keeping a record of your interactions. Your conversation history is stored locally, giving you full control and privacy. The LLM isn't just about text, it can also analyze images. By pointing the image flag at a screenshot or photo, you can ask the model to describe what's in the picture. While it won't solve complex visual problems, it's surprisingly good at basic image recognition and offline OCR-style tasks. This opens up new possibilities for accessibility and quick image analysis, all without leaving your Mac. One standout feature is the ability to force the LLM to output clean, structured JSON. This is a game changer for anyone who works with data. You can extract contacts from emails, pull line items from receipts, or tag notes, all with reliable JSON output. The model can even build the schema for you, handling nested objects and arrays. This makes it easy to automate data processing tasks and integrate AI into your scripts. Need to organize large amounts of text? The LLM has a built-in mode for auto-tagging and classifying content. By using the Use Case Content Tagging flag, you can feed it anything from photo captions to support tickets and get back relevant tags. This feature is perfect for sorting, searching, and managing information without manual effort. It's like having a smart assistant that keeps your files and notes organized. The on-device model has a memory limit of 4,096 tokens, which is about 3,000 words. If you exceed this, the session stops. To help manage this, there's a built-in token count tool. It's important to keep your prompts concise, especially for longer tasks. For bigger jobs, the cloud model offers a much larger window. This limitation ensures the model runs efficiently on all Macs, even those with modest hardware. You can customize the LLM's behavior with various configuration flags. For example, Instructions lets you set a system prompt, giving the model a specific personality or role, like a blunt code reviewer. The Greedy flag makes answers more deterministic, which is useful for scripting. You can also set your default model or adjust safety filters for creative tasks. These options make the LLM flexible and reliable for different workflows. With the FM serve command, your Mac can act as a private ChatGPT server. It starts a local web server that speaks the OpenAI API, so any compatible tool can use your Mac's LLM instead of an external service. This means you can run AI-powered scripts, extensions, or chat apps locally with no API keys or extra costs. It's a powerful way to bring AI capabilities to your entire workflow, all while keeping your data private. You can extend the power of the LLM to your entire home network. By changing the server's host setting, any device on your Wi-Fi can access the AI model running on your Mac. This is especially useful if you have a powerful Mac Mini or Mac Studio, as the model scales up with better hardware. Your iPhone or other devices can connect through simple shortcuts or compatible apps, making advanced AI accessible everywhere at home. While running your own AI server is powerful, it's important to consider security. By default, the server has no password, so only use it on trusted networks like your home Wi-Fi. Avoid exposing it to public networks or the internet. For remote access, use secure methods like private mesh networks. Treat your AI server like any open door on your network. Protect it accordingly to keep your data safe. When you need more power, the LLM can switch to Apple's private cloud compute model. By adding Model PCC to your command, your prompt is sent to Apple's servers, where a much larger model processes it. This cloud model offers a bigger context window and more advanced capabilities, all while maintaining privacy through cryptographic proofs. It's perfect for heavy-duty tasks that the on-device model can't handle. Apple's private cloud compute is designed with privacy in mind. Your prompts are not stored or visible to Apple, and independent researchers can verify this through published server code and cryptographic proofs. However, there is a daily usage quota tied to your Apple account, and heavy use may require an iCloud Plus subscription. This ensures fair use while keeping your data secure. It's important to know the LLM's boundaries. It cannot access your messages, notes, calendar, or files unless you explicitly provide them. It doesn't know the current date or have access to personal context like Siri does. Its knowledge is frozen at a certain point, and it can't browse the web. However, it excels at summarizing, extracting, classifying, and structuring text, making it perfect for everyday language tasks. Compared to other AI models, the on-device LLM in macOS 27 holds its own against similar small models like Qwen and Gemma. It's not as powerful as frontier models like GPT-4o, but it's more than capable for focus tasks. The cloud-based PCC model is even stronger, beating some mid-size open models. For most users, the built-in LLM is a practical, private, and efficient tool for daily tasks. If you're not on macOS 27, you can still use Apple's LLM through the official Python package or community CLIs. These tools work on macOS 26 and above, offering similar capabilities. Once you upgrade to macOS 27, the native.fm command makes most third-party tools redundant. This compatibility ensures that more users can benefit from Apple's AI, regardless of their system version. The Hidden LLM in macOS 27 is a fast, free, and private text tool that lives in your terminal. It's not meant to replace ChatGPT, but it excels at everyday language tasks like summarizing, extracting data, and automating workflows. With features like clean JSON output, file piping, and a local ChatGPT server, it's a small delight for Mac users. If you haven't tried it yet, open your terminal and type FM respond hello. You might just find yourself using it every day.